Hello guys, welcome to my art channel. So today I have put together a collection of some beautiful DIY bookmarks with some exciting and trendy designs for you to check out. And I have made them all using brush pens. Yes, brush pens only. And these are very easy guys. Whether you are a beginning crafter or a seasoned vet, you are surely going to enjoy these ideas. So without any further ado, let's get started. This particular set has 14 brush pens and they come with super soft tip. Yes, I know, they have been in the market for quite some time now, but as you know, I am not too much into painting with sketch pens. But recently I have come across so many reviews talking so highly about them and the range of versatility that they offer, that I changed my mind and thought of using them in my future projects. So today I'll be making some bookmarks using them directly on paper, and I am using watercolor papers which are cold pressed and 300 GSM. So starting with bookmark number 1, I have experimented with some floral designs here, and I have predominantly used oranges, reds and yellows here with some blacks here and there. And yes, if you are liking whatever you are seeing right now, then please go and subscribe to my channel, and please do check out all the other videos that I have uploaded till date. Hey viewers, I am using gel pen here to draw the finer details. Our bookmark number 1 is all done. So moving on to our bookmark number 2, where I'll be experimenting with some geometric patterns and geometric designs. And here you will find me using some bright and peppy colors to add that zing to this bookmark. And as you can see, I have already made a rough sketch of the geometric patterns that I'll be using. The metallic brush pen that you can see me using here came with this brush pen set, and it is an excellent product, I must say. It has an opaque finish to it, unlike the other pens in the set, and so it acts more like the acrylic markers, and so you can use them to draw or paint or write anything over your paintings. Just see how lovely and smooth the pen is. I'm going to add some more lines using the silver metallic brush pen because, you know, I have just fallen in love with it. So tell me, what are your opinions about this particular bookmark, because I absolutely love it, and I must say it is one of my favorites among all the 5 bookmarks that I'll be showing you today. So moving on to bookmark number 3, where I'll use florals as well as geometric patterns. Do you notice here that I am blending the red and peach color together, creating a very smooth gradient with the brush pens. And please do all the blending fast before the color dries up. So here is the final outcome of the third bookmark. Please comment down below how you like it. Let's try our hands on some funky theme now for this bookmark number 4. I'm not using any specific pattern for this. I'm just using random shapes with some random colors, and I'll be doing some little florals and leafy things over this background. Let's wait and watch how that turns out. So this bookmark number 4 is all done now. Tell me how you like it. Now moving on to our last but not the least, our final bookmark number 5. I'll be using geometric patterns again, but a little different this time. You'll find me drawing some repetitive lines and sequences in this one. So this is how the final outcome looks like, guys. So that was all for today, guys. Tell me how you like it. Please comment on the comment section below which bookmark do you like the most. And please don't use varnish on them as always, because these are not acrylic but sketch pens. So you can seal them by laminating them using plastic covers or plastic files or transparency or OHP sheets. So if you like my video today, then please go and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about all the videos that I upload in my channel. Please keep motivating me with your likes and comments and subscriptions. I'll meet you again in my next video, where I promise to come with some new and exciting ideas or paintings. Till then, as I always say, keep painting and enjoying your art journey. Have a good day and bye.